In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This is an essential skill if you're working with documents that need a clear and professional touch, like reports, ebooks, or even academic papers. Let's get started by opening Adobe Acrobat. First, when you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself at the home page. This is where you can manage your current projects or start new ones. If you're planning to work on an existing document, you can easily access it from the Recent section. For today's tutorial, we'll select a document from this section to add our page numbers to. Once you have your document open, the next step is to begin the process of editing your PDF. Look towards the toolbar where you'll find the option labeled Edit. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you need to select Header and Footer, which offers options for adding customized text and elements to your document. Choose the Add button to start editing your document elements. Now, as we prepare to insert the page numbers, it's important to decide where you want them to appear. Typically, page numbers are placed at the bottom of the page in the footer area, particularly on the right side. This approach is standard in many formats and provides a clean look that readers expect. So, you'll want to focus on the footer section for this task. In the footer editing area, spot the option labeled Insert Page Number. This tool does exactly what it suggests. It introduces sequential page numbers to your document. Clicking on this option will initiate the page numbering dialog, giving you the chance to see how your pages will be numbered. After confirming that the settings suit your needs, simply hit the OK button to apply these changes to your document. There you have it, a straightforward method to insert page numbers into your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. By following these steps, you've added an essential element that not only helps to organize your content, but also enhances the professionalism of your document. Page numbers can improve navigation and make referencing much easier, especially in multi-page documents. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to go over these steps again if you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on mastering Adobe Acrobat and other software for your document needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.